Programming operation of the Hotline foam cutting machine. Open the programming software. Select Startup. Take part cutting as an example. Cube with identical top and bottom dimensions. Open the pre-drawn graphic in XF format. Click OK. Modify the Apply Curve parameter based on the foam density. Change the cutting distance of the X and Y axis according to the requirements. After setting the parameters, click Create Cut Path. Export path to 4-axis code. Save the cutting path to the desktop. Just import the cutting software when using it.